is this place? Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Before I start with this video, I gotta say it's heavily with this movie. I gotta say it's heavily inspired by Mowgli Studios. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. On top of the screen. But after I do that, let's get into the movie.
Hey, give me that plushie. Hey, you stole it. I have 60 seconds to choose. Cut off your hands or get hit by the train. Your pick. Train? It's way too painful. It's almost. Can I buy this gun?
Yeah, that would be $500, please.
Oh, that's too much. Dang, inflation.
Man, I really hate this stupid ass job.
How much is this umbrella?
$700.
Dang, I'm poor. Here.
I'll give you a discount.
Hey.
Like, get your ass out my store.
No, the heck it isn't!
Oh!
Follow me. Get over here.
You have 60 seconds to get everything out of your throat, but get the coins out of your throat, or get exploded, because one of them is a bomb.
And what is this place? Oh, what is that?
I smell like blood or something.
Ew! This is disgusting.
Ew!
Dude, there's a freaking head.
Oh!
We need to get this out of here. Ah, got it. I gotta go wash it. Hey, dude, I think we should split up. We should go find whatever we can.
Okay.
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 Yeah, you go
go
that
this
way.
way.
I'll go this way.
What is this? Jigsaw? Where have I heard that name? Maybe I should go back to Officer Wayne.
Man, I can't find anything. I think I should go. Oh,
Do not tell anybody about this. Or else. Wayne.
wait, how do you know my name?
I know a lot about you.
Weird. I'm gonna go talk to Officer Mike.
What is this thing?
Wait, Officer Mike!
Ew.
Officer Mike! I saw
What?
some. Wait, never mind. I think we should head out of here. This place gives me creepy the vibes.
Agree.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go now. God, where is Danny? He's taking forever.
What would you like to order?
Can I just have like a turkey leg?
Turkey leg?
Yes. Here. So go get my food.
I will.